Hey Heather, I thank you for joining me here at the house today. We're getting ready for Super Bowl, right?
Right.
We are looking forward to it, gonna have a fun time. So I wanna give you a little sneak peek. If you come to Room tomorrow, we're gonna be having a Super Bowl food feast. So if you come by afternoon or about noontime, I'm gonna show you some of the things that you might get to enjoy while we're putting out the spread at Room to Room, and our employees get to eat too. So we're gonna start, let's start down here. This is what my people love. I make the buffalo dip. Super simple, super easy. Cream cheese, the chicken, Frank's cheese, and y'all, I like to grate my own cheese because it just has a better flavor. Doesn't have that funky white stuff on it. But sometimes if you don't have time, you get that shredded, already done cheese. You know, if your cream cheese, if you hadn't put it out for it to be soft, put it in the microwave. Get it ready. What could these be? Heather, do you like these?
I like where we're going with these.
Okay, these are gonna be potato skins. You know, ooh, yum. You can put those in the oven, get them all baked, slice them in two, get out all the potato out of it. And you can use that for potato salad. You can make a lot of other things with that, but those potato skins, crispy with some cheese, some bacon bits, and some sour cream, a little bit of green parsley to make them look pretty, and that is yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, on down the road.
What do we have next?
Let's see. We have some yummy things that you want to keep like in your den. Some of that like Chex Mix kind of mix that you can make up ahead of time, put out in some bowls. Some nuts. We've got pecans there. You're gonna need all kinds of dipping crackers and things for some different dips that you might make, or you might pick up from down at Brooks. This is one of my favorites. It is the BLT dip. Yum, great with pretzels. Put it in a bowl. You don't have to tell anybody you bought it, but Brooks has that all taken care of for you. That is some yum yum. If you want a little bit of dessert, that's fun. Get you some pie crust, get a small muffin tin, mash those down in there. You have like a little mini pie. Get that chocolate pie recipe out that your grandmama has. Make that up, bake the little crust before. All you gotta do is put that pie filling in there, get a little Ready Whip, squirt on there, you got it going.
That sounds like what I want.
It's really, really, really yum. Okay, you have to have a charcuterie board, right? So I picked these things up. We're gonna try to do this a little bit healthy, all right? So we've got apples, we've got blueberries, we've got cherries, we've got blackberries, this delicious pineapple. Throw a few strawberries on there, but save a few back because I've got something fun we're gonna do with that. Put your cheese out. Don't y'all love brie? With a little bit of chutney on top of that, warming it up. Oh, that is so, so, so good. So you've got all that going. That is like really simple. All you gotta do is just arrange it on there and let everybody pick up and get as they wanna go along. Gotta have some meat. You got the smoked sausage. I saw this on the Today Show the other day. Taking these sausages, putting skewers down through there, then grill them, put them in the oven, broil them, whatever you want to. Then on top of that, after you've got them really good and cooked and hot, add that cheese on top. Squirt a little bit of sour cream on there. You could even put some avocado, some tomatoes, green onion on top of that cheese, and that ooey gooey yummy delight. You could take it and make, put it in a hot dog bun, or you can slice it up and put it on your board.
Low carb.
Yes, delicious. So, so good. Sliders. Okay, y'all, I went to the store a while ago, and the main thing I went for was to get the brisket that is already cooked and sliced. Just getting that brisket, putting it on some sliders, taking, these are my favorite, the King's, not necessarily the Hawaiian roll, unless you're gonna do like chicken salad, the sweeter Hawaiian roll with the sweetness with the chicken salad, that's great. But with a meat, I would use that savory, buttery taste. And just taking those, you know, slicing those open, putting that delicious meat in there with some cheese. I mean, I gotta have cheese on everything. You can put a little barbecue sauce, whatever you want to do to jazz that up. That's quick, that's easy, that meat's already cooked, and it is delicious. You just need to warm that up. So, y'all have to have a dessert. You know, you gotta have extra dessert. So you got the pies over here, getting an angel food cake here, tearing it up in pieces, a vanilla pudding mix, instant vanilla, or you can make it from scratch, your pudding. Cut up some strawberries in there, or blueberries, or whatever other fruit you want to put in there. Layer that all up. Frozen strawberries are also great. Hey Jim, we are doing what we're getting ready for our Super Bowl party.
Okay.
You love that, don't you? All the yummy things we get to have.
Lulu will be great.
Yeah, Lulu will help eat. Right, Lulu? So, taking that, doing it like a trifle.
Like layering it.
Yes, laying it all in there. But frozen strawberries with the juice, you know, layering that all over. Putting some Cool Whip in there too. Super easy, super quick, and everybody loves it. So, what's your favorite?
I want to know more about the strawberries.
Okay.
We're going to hold some back for...
We're holding some back to do chocolate dipped strawberries. Everybody loves it. You can do this for your Valentine's too. But almond bark. Melting the almond bark in the microwave. Don't overdo it though. You know, melt it, put it in a glass bowl, Pyrex or something that won't break. Put that in there, and then keep testing it till it gets the right consistency. Don't put it on 5 minutes and just leave it in there, because you will have burnt up. No good. So take 3 or 4 little squares at a time, melt them. Y'all, all you gotta do, it's so simple and so less expensive than paying a lot of money for chocolate dipped strawberries. But all you have to do then, make sure that your strawberries are washed, they're dried, they're cold. Dip them down in there, put it on wax paper, let them cool off. You can also get white almond bark if you want to and do a little drizzle. You can add some sprinkles for multicolors on top of that chocolate. So all kinds of fun things that you can do with that. So who's ready for a Super Bowl party?